Last but not the least is Mabel. This is a beautiful one once again in beautiful hues of lilacs and lavenders, giving it a very, very ethereal look. ये मैं आपको खोल के दिखाने लगी हूँ इसकी front का yoke. इसका design देख सकते हो. What I love is this. These edges, you can see diamantes, nakshis, pearls. पूरा throughout आप देख सकते हो sequence रेशम भरा हुआ है. And yet इसमें एक delicacy है और एक अपनी ही elegance और class है. Right? So the next one is इसकी ये back का yoke. Oh, let me open it. It's like this. क्या आप देख सकते हो यार इस तरह डिजाइन होगा. ओके, ये आ गए इसके स्लीव्स का ऑल ओवर सीक्वेंस. ये आ गया हमारा फैब्रिक इन नेट. अच्छा, इंटरेस्टिंगली इनफ दिस वन कैन बी स्टाइल्ड इन मल्टीपल वेज, बट दिस वन लुक्स ब्यूटिफुल द वे वीव डन इट. आप देख सकते हो ऑन दिस लेवेंडर टोन्स ऑम्ब्रे की ये उसमें है. यू कैन सी. So this is all sequined, heavily sequined, and resham embroidery all over it. I don't know if the camera is doing justice to it, but it's really glitzy, it's really classy, it's really chic. I love it. अच्छा जी, ये है इसके हमारे पास motifs, which you can clearly see here. हमने different आगे front back पे ये applique कराने हैं, which gives it the class. You can use it this way. आपने नहीं भी applique कराना, you can use it as another shirt. But this is how we've designed for you. ये आ गया जी इसका border घेरे का. इतना चौड़ा border है with resham and sequins all over it. It's a lovely, lovely border. And of course, ये आ गया आपकी pearl trimmings के लिए, right? I love the size of these pearls and the beautiful idea of using pearls all over. अच्छा जी, ये आ गया हमारा दुपट्टा. You can see this beautiful motif, small flowers and these big ones. Let me open it up a bit for you to show you how it is done. It is like this, right? Check out the glitz. And of course, ये है इसके पल्लू का border. Moving on to the next part is हमारे trouser or undershirt का fabric. And I'm sure you're going to love Mabel and the entire Amour collection.